In this video, I am going to show you how you can easily unzip a file. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the video. But before we move on with this video, in order to do what you want to do in this video, you're going to have to download the software called WinRAR. So you can easily click the link down in the description below and it will take you to a website where you can download WinRAR for free. So without wasting much time, let's continue with the video. So as you can see, this is my file right over here, and what I want to do is that I want to unzip this file. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to select my file and right click. Once you right click, you're going to have to click on the extract here option, but be sure to remember that you can only do this if you have the WinRAR software. So be sure to download it, link in the description below. So what you want to do now is that you want to click on the extract here option. So once you do that, you can see that the file has successfully been extracted or unzipped. So that's how you can easily unzip a file in Windows. So without wasting much time, thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.